Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 servo motor driver kits. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, AC Servo Motor Drive Kit. Specifications. Model number, 80SS100 ASD2100. Phase, single phase. Protect feature, totally enclosed. Type, servo motor. Efficiency, IE1. AC voltage, 208 to 240 volts. Certification, CE, ROHS. Origin, mainland China. Product number 4, Lichuan Servo Motor 130ST. Specifications. Brand name, Lichuan. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Phase, single phase. Protect feature, drip proof. Type, servo motor. Efficiency, IE1. AC voltage, 208 to 240 volts. Signal voltage, 5 volts to 24 volts. Control mode, direction plus pulse, analog voltage, AB pulse. Analog voltage, minus 10 volts to plus 10 volts. Product number 3, Delta B2, E3 AC Servo Motor Drive Kit. Specifications. Model number, ASD, E3 ASD, B2. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Protect feature, drip proof. Type, servo motor. Efficiency, IE1. AC voltage, 208 to 240 volts. IP rating, IP20. Certification, CCC, CE, ROHS, UL. Product number 2, HLTNC 130STM15025. Specifications. Brand name, HLTNC. Model number, 130STM15025. Phase, single phase. Protect feature, totally enclosed. Type, servo motor. Efficiency, IE2. AC voltage, 208 to 240 volts. Motor shaft, 22 mm with 6 mm key. Rated speed, 2500 RPM. Safety class, IP65. Rated torque, 15 Nm. Rated current, 13.5 amperes. Certification, CCC, CE. Product number 1, HLT3D20ABF. Specifications. Brand name, HLTNC. Model, HLT3D20ABF. Phase, 3-phase. Type, servo motor. Efficiency, IE2. AC voltage, 208 to 240 volts. Rated speed, 3000 RPM. Voltage, 220 volts.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.